pretty. Just enjoying our nature walk. I don't know what they're talking about, but it's so nice here. I still can't. A leg very beautiful.
Hi, Six Boys.
Oh my gosh, make a shot. Somebody make a shot. Oh no. In a minute, Zariah, try it.
She was better at everybody after school.
Oh! Oh my gosh, you didn't even make it. Oh, okay. Oh no, Anthony, oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, let me try. Okay, let me try. You were...
Yeah, I never did basketball. You can't blame me. She totally did.
Any helper? Real quick. Oh, it's so close. It's okay. Oh my gosh, so close. Okay, you want to try again? Sarah, you want to try again? Oh my gosh. Woo! Last shot.